English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're very happy to have you with us today.
Today's topic is something we all talk about almost every day.
Yes, today we're talking about your daily routine.
What you do in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening.
This topic is extremely useful because people ask this question all the time.
Questions like, what do you do every day? What is your routine? How does your day usually start?
And after today, you'll be able to answer these questions easily and confidently.
Let's start with a simple question.
What is a daily routine?
Your daily routine is what you usually do every day.
For example, you wake up, you eat breakfast, you go to work or school, you relax, you sleep.
Simple things, normal things, everyday things.
And the good news?
You already know your routine. Now you just need the English for it. Let's start with the morning.
Emma, how does your day usually start?
Okay, slowly. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Good. Repeat after Emma.
I wake up at...
Great. Continue, Emma.
After I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Very common actions.
Then I say, I take a shower.
Listeners, repeat slowly. I wake up at. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Perfect. You're doing great.
After the shower, what's next?
Breakfast, very important.
Very important for energy.
I say, I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
And what do you eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast, or I have coffee and fruit.
Nice and simple.
Listeners, repeat. I have breakfast at. I usually eat.
Now, after breakfast, many people go to work or school.
Yes, so we say, I go to work at 9 a.m. or I go to school at 8:30.
And how do you go?
Good question. I go by bus, I go by car, I walk, I take the train.
Listeners, repeat after me. I go to work by. I go to school by.
Excellent.
Let's pause for a small lesson.
We use the simple present tense to talk about daily routines.
Because routines happen again and again.
For example, I wake up at 7. I work from 9 to 5. I eat dinner at 8.
Not yesterday, not tomorrow. Every day.
That's why we use simple present.
Now let's talk about the afternoon.
In the afternoon, I usually say, I work, I study, I attend meetings.
Or I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Yes, I eat lunch with my colleagues, or I eat lunch at home.
Repeat after me. I have lunch at. I work in the afternoon.
Okay, Daniel, let's have a small conversation.
Sure. Emma, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m., I take a shower and have breakfast.
Do you go to work after that?
Yes, I go to work at 9 a.m. How about you?
I wake up at 6:30. I exercise, then I go to work.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I wake up at. I have breakfast at. I go to work/school at. Very good. You're speaking English. Okay, Daniel, let's be honest.
Uh-oh, that sounds dangerous.
The evening is the best part of the day.
I agree. Work is finished, school is finished, and we can finally relax.
Exactly. So let's learn how to talk about our evening routine.
Emma, what do you usually do in the evening?
I usually say, in the evening, I relax.
Nice and simple.
Then I add, I watch TV, I read a book, I listen to music.
Very normal evening activities. Now let's talk about my favorite topic.
Let me guess. Food?
Of course.
In the evening, we often talk about dinner.
So we say, I have dinner at 8 p.m.
Or I eat dinner with my family.
Emma, what do you usually eat for dinner?
I usually eat something light. Maybe rice, vegetables, or pasta.
Healthy, Emma.
And what about you?
Pizza.
Of course.
Listeners, here are some very common evening habits.
See if you do these too. I check my phone.
Everyone does that.
I scroll on social media,
For 5 minutes.
which becomes 30 minutes.
Very true.
Other examples, I talk to my family.
I spend time with my friends.
I cook dinner.
I order food.
Very real-life English.
Okay, Emma, important question.
I'm ready.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Definitely a night person.
I knew it.
I have more energy in the evening.
So you can say, I am a night person.
Or I am a morning person.
Listeners, which one are you?
Let's show a fun conversation.
Emma, what do you do after work?
I usually go home, relax, and watch TV. What about you?
I go home, eat dinner, and check my phone.
For 5 minutes?
For 30 minutes.
Sounds familiar. Okay, quick tip.
Many learners say, I am wake up at 7.
Small mistake.
The correct sentence is, I wake up at 7.
Remember, for daily routines, we use simple present, not am.
Another mistake. I am go to work.
Correct version, I go to work.
Simple, right?
Let's practice again. Repeat after me. In the evening, I have dinner at. I relax by. Great job!
You're doing better than you think. One more fun tip before we end part 2.
You can make your routine interesting by adding one feeling.
For example, I relax because I feel tired.
Or, I enjoy my evening because it's quiet.
This makes your English sound more natural.
Before we finish today, we want to tell you something important.
Your daily routine might feel boring.
Wake up, work, eat, sleep.
But in English learning, your daily routine is actually very powerful.
Because it is your real life.
And real-life English is the best English.
Many learners think, I will speak when my English is perfect.
But perfection never comes.
Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Even one simple sentence is enough.
I wake up at 7. I work in an office. I relax in the evening.
That is real English.
Now, let's listen to a full daily routine, slowly and clearly.
Listen carefully. You can repeat later.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I have breakfast at 8. I go to work at 9. In the afternoon, I work and eat lunch. In the evening, I relax and eat dinner with my family. At night, I watch TV and go to bed at 11.
Beautiful, simple, clear.
Now, let's listen again, but a little faster.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything.
I wake up at 7, get ready, have breakfast, and go to work. In the afternoon, I work and eat lunch. In the evening, I relax, have dinner, watch TV, and go to bed.
This is how native speakers talk.
Here is your challenge for today.
Describe your daily routine in 5 simple sentences.
You can talk to a mirror, your phone, a friend.
It doesn't matter.
What matters is that you speak.
If you make mistakes,
That's good.
mistakes mean you're learning.
Every mistake is one step forward. If you're watching this video right now,
It means you are serious about learning English.
you are building a habit.
and habits change lives.
We are very proud of you.
Now go to the comments.
Write one sentence about your daily routine.
For example, I wake up at 6 and go to work.
And if this lesson helped you,
Subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
we post new English conversations every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.